Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to another cue card. Okay, this cue card is quite important, and it's an evergreen cue card. So the topic is describe a house or apartment that someone you know lives in. Lives is present simple tense, and this is what we call present indefinite in local books as well. Describe a house or apartment that someone you know lives in. This cue card can be given in this way as well. Describe the home of someone you know well and that you often visit. Both cue cards are same. Now let me elaborate. Describe a house or apartment. Immediately you need to think about the house of any of your relatives, house of your friend. Okay, relatives or friend, it's fine. Or even you can talk about the house of a film star. That's gonna be fine. So you got variety. House of your friend, house of your relatives, anyone from your friends, but you need to talk about one house. Always remember, whenever it comes to cue card, you have to speak about one person, one thing specifically, single item. Okay, so whose house or apartment this is? Present simple, present. Where the house or apartment is, what it looks like inside. Now you will talk about interior of the house and explain what you like or dislike about this person's house or apartment. What you like, what you dislike, and you can conclude with this thing, right? So, well, houses are very important part of our everyday life because the way we live in the houses, the way we feel how this world or the people of the world actually work. Today I would like to talk about a house which belongs to my friend, and he's been living in that house for more than 10 years. It's basically a double-story house and there are 5 bedrooms in this house. And the house is quite large with a beautiful garden. There are 2 balconies in the house and there is a beautiful car porch. I'm saying beautiful because there are beautiful paintings in the car porch as well. So this house belongs to my friend's father, and 10 years ago he had constructed this house under his supervision. This house is located in the very posh area of Lahore where I live, and this area is called Defense Housing Authority, and in that house there is that X block. So there he's been living since the beginning, okay, since the beginning of our friendship. Well, the house looks beautiful. Exterior is white and there are beautiful balconies outside, you can see, and the paint is very well. There is some woodwork outside as well, and you can see the beautiful windows out there, and these windows are aluminium windows. So from outside this house looks like a Spanish house because it was built in the Spanish style. Well, as far as the inside of the house is concerned, I would say the interior of the house is very good. There is beautiful furniture. There are so many paintings, beautiful decorations on the wall, and the paint and the false ceiling. All these things are very well. Because of this, the house looks very elegant. As you enter the house, you feel the elegance inside you. Well, I like everything about that house. The house is beautiful, comfortable, elegant, but there is one thing I don't like. It is on the main road, and sometimes there is the traffic noise, and sometimes there is traffic congestion right in front of the house. This is the only thing I don't like, but otherwise I love this house very much. See that? Okay, so I elaborated a lot, and all these things were created or cooked up in my imagination. So sometimes if you don't have everything about a house or about a friend's house, you can imagine the whole story. I call it exaggerated answers. With this type of exaggerated answer, I achieved 8 band in Ielts speaking. So if you speak like this or better than this, you can even achieve higher band as well. All the best, guys. We also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.